Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install Google Antigravity on your Mac. Google Antigravity is a new AI-powered development environment designed to help you build, edit, and manage code more efficiently using intelligent automation. First, open your web browser, whether that's Safari, Chrome, Brave, or any other browser you prefer. Next, go to antigravity.google. Once the page loads, you'll be on the official website for Google Antigravity. From here, click the download button in the top right corner. You should then be taken to the download page, where you'll see versions for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Go to the Mac OS section. Now, make sure you choose the correct version for your Mac. If you're using an M1, M2, M3, or M4 Mac, select the Apple Silicon version. If you have an older Mac with an Intel processor, download the Intel version instead. If you're not sure which Mac you have, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select About this Mac. If you see something like chip, Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, that means you're using Apple Silicon. If not, then you're using an Intel Mac. Once you've selected the correct version, the download should begin automatically. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the DMG file. A new window should appear showing the Antigravity app icon and the Applications folder. Simply drag the Antigravity icon into the Applications folder. Once that's done, close the window and move the installer file to the bin. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and double-click on Antigravity to launch it. If a security prompt appears, simply click Open to proceed. If the application requests access to your folders, click Allow so its AI agents can properly access and work with your code. Once the app opens, you can customize the editor, choose your theme, and adjust the workspace the way you like. Then sign in with your Google account to sync your workspace and access your Gemini credits. You may also be able to import your old VS Code themes and extensions, so you don't have to start from scratch. And that's it. Google Antigravity is now installed and ready to use on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more tutorials.